Good afternoon and welcome to the 15th Annual Homeowner Mark of Excellence Awards, proudly presented by Constellation HomeBuilder Systems. I'm Jeremy Halbert, Vice President of the Customer Experience Group here at Constellation. This year, we're thrilled to be back in Calgary for another in-person celebration. Participation has grown once again, making the competition tougher and the standards higher than ever. Whether you're joining us here in person or tuning in virtually, it's your commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction that makes this program truly special. So let's get started and recognize the companies and individuals who set the bar for outstanding homeowner experiences. Thanks to the sponsors who make this award ceremony possible: Constellation HomeBuilder Systems, A1 Cement Contractors, and Jamin Built. Thank you. Homeowner Mark of Excellence, Canada and the United States. Best Customer Experience, British Columbia. And the finalists are Park Bridge and Park Ridge Homes. And the winner is Park Ridge Homes. Calgary and area, single-family homes, 5 to 99 homes. And the finalists are Distinctive Homes and Homes by Us. And the winner is Homes by Us. Calgary and area, single-family homes, 100 to 299 homes. And the finalists are Daytona Homes, McKee Homes, Partners Homes, and Rohit Homes Calgary. And the winner is Daytona Homes. Calgary and area, single-family homes, 300 and more homes. And the finalists are Cedar Glen Homes, Homes by Abby, Jamin Built, and Morrison Homes. And the winner is Jamin Built. Calgary and area, multifamily homes, up to 249 homes. The finalists are Avalon Master Builder, Homes by Abby, Jamin Built, and Rohit Homes Calgary. And the winner is Jamin Built. Calgary and area, multifamily homes, 250 or more homes. The finalists are Cedar Glen Living and Logal Homes. And the winner is Logal Homes. Edmonton and area, single-family homes, 5 to 49 homes. The finalists are Encore Master Builder, Jacobs Construction, Justin Gray Homes, Canby Homes, and Kimberly Homes. And the winner is Justin Gray Homes. Edmonton and area, single-family homes, 50 to 149 homes. The finalists are City Homes Master Builder and Zetson Homes 2023 Limited. And the winner is Zetson Homes. Edmonton and area, single-family homes, 150 and more homes. Finalists are Intero Homes, Daytona Homes, Homes by Abby, Jamin Built, and Rohit Homes Edmonton. And the winner is Cantero Homes. Edmonton and area, multifamily homes. The finalists are Averton and Rohit Homes Edmonton. And the winner is Averton. Central Alberta, single-family homes. The finalists are Asset Builders and Colbray Homes. And the winner is Colbray Homes. Southern Alberta, single-family homes. The finalists are Avonlea Homes and Strandville Living. And the winner is Strandville Living. Manitoba and Saskatchewan, single-family homes. The finalists are Daytona Homes Winnipeg and Rohit Homes Regina. And the winner is Daytona Homes Winnipeg. Ontario, single-family homes, 5 to 49 homes. The finalists are Georgian Communities, Geranium, Mars Homes, Park Bridge, and Zencor Homes. And the winner is Mars Homes. Ontario, single-family homes, 50 to 149 homes. The finalists are Countrywide Homes, Tamarack Homes, and Tartan Homes. And the winner is Tamarack Homes. Ontario, single-family homes, 150 or more homes. The finalists are Empire Homes Canada Low-Rise and Sorbera. And the winner is Empire Homes Canada Low-Rise. Ontario, multifamily homes, up to 99 homes. The finalists are Branthaven Homes, DeSantis Homes, and Geranium. And the winner is Branthaven Homes. Ontario, multifamily homes, 100 or more homes. The finalists are Empire Homes Canada High Rise and Madison Group. And the winner is Empire Homes Canada High Rise. Best customer experience in the United States. Customer insight, up to 124 homes. The finalists are Empire Homes Austin, Empire Homes San Antonio, and Hamlet Homes. And the winner is Hamlet Homes. Customer insight, 125 to 249 homes. The finalists are Empire Homes Carolina, Hunter Quinn Homes, and MTT Homes. And the winner is Hunter Quinn Homes. Customer insight, 250 or more homes. The finalists are Empire Homes Atlanta, Empire Homes Houston, Riverside HomeBuilders, and Williams Homes. And the winner is Empire Homes Atlanta. Woodland O'Brien and Scott, from 5 to 99 homes. And the finalists are Alogla Homes, Carter Hill Homes, Spire Homes, and Westover Homes. And the winner is Alogla Homes. Woodland O'Brien and Scott, 100 to 399 homes. The finalists are American Legend Homes Colorado, Pop Homes, and Scott Felder Homes. And the winner is Pop Homes. Woodland O'Brien and Scott, 600 or more homes. The finalists are American Legend Homes Texas and True Homes. And the winner is American Legend Homes. Congratulations to all Best Customer Experience winners. Our next category is Best Trade Partner, an award honoring those partners who deliver exceptional quality and understand the critical role they play in the home buying journey. The finalists are A1 Cement Contractors and Premier Built Garages. And the winner is Premier Built Garages. Congratulations to our Best Trade Partner winner. Before we move on to Builder of Choice, let's take a moment to celebrate how our industry gives back. At Constellation, we proudly partner with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, donating for every completed homeowner survey.
The beauty of Make-A-Wish is it's incredibly simple. It is that intangible object that, quite honestly, I cannot order from the pharmacy. I cannot write a prescription for.
You see a child before they go on their wish, and when they come back with their family after the wish, it's often like seeing a totally different child.
You just see it in their faces, this idea of thinking outside of the current moment in time.
It's an unsaid power that these experiences can give these kids. And, you know, these are kids that are living longer. They're living better. They're having more fun in their life. And it all started with one experience, and that was their wish.
As with life, a wish has less to do with what has been and more to do with what's coming up.
Thanks to your support throughout 2024, we contributed over $7,600 to help make dreams come true. Thank you for making such a meaningful impact. The next award category is the most challenging to achieve because it represents the highest standards across the board: outstanding customer experience, strong employee engagement, and exceptional trade partnerships. This is the Builder of Choice Award. Please join me in giving a big round of applause to this year's finalists and winners. Builder of Choice, Canada and USA. Single-family homes up to 149 homes. The finalists are City Homes Master Builder, Daytona Homes Calgary, Kimberly Homes, and McKee Homes. And the winner is McKee Homes. Canada and USA, single-family homes, 150 to 299 homes. The finalists are Cantiro Homes, Daytona Homes Winnipeg, and Empire Homes Carolina. And the winner is Daytona Homes Winnipeg. Canada and USA, single-family homes, 300 or more homes. The finalists are Cedar Glen Homes, Daytona Homes Edmonton, Empire Homes Canada Low Rise. And the winner is Cedar Glen Homes. Canada and USA, multifamily homes. The finalists are Cedar Glen Living, Empire Homes Atlanta, Empire Homes Canada High Rise, and Logal Homes. And the winner is Cedar Glen Living. Congratulations to all Builder of Choice winners. Next, we have the Industry Ambassador of the Year Award, which recognizes an individual who demonstrates leadership, community service, and a commitment to education, all in the name of improving the customer experience. And the winner is Ron Tyslaw with Avonlea Homes. Congratulations to our Industry Ambassador 2025. That concludes the 2025 Mark of Excellence Awards. Registration for the 2026 program opens in March, so mark your calendars. Thank you to everyone who made this event possible. We look forward to celebrating your continued dedication to delivering exceptional customer experiences next year. See you then.